Girl, boy, listen. Do not take off your do-rags. You cannot take off your blindfolds because if you do, you will die, okay? Where we're going is tough. It's gonna be cold. It's gonna be dry. It's gonna take long to get to our destinations, but I can tell you this, the journey that we are gonna be on will be great. So whatever you do, do not take off your do-rags. Do you understand? Where's my brush? It's not the soft one. Yeah, there it is. There it is, my mirror. No, no, I will not. No, 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 no.
They're spinning. You're spinning.
How can I do this? I gotta still
Look at your waves.
keep my do-rag on.
I gotta. So just look at your waves.
Hold on.
You're spinning. Just look at your waves.
I still gotta do a session. I still gotta get my session in. I still gotta get my session. No matter what, I gotta still get my session. Okay. Now it's time. It's time to put back on my do-rag.